Muthia mabuku makirathi kia grade 10 ni megukinyira arutwo mathukuru-ini thutha wamo gucabithio na kwambiriria kunyagio. Mabuku maya marakinyira arutwo kiumia kimwe thutha wao kuingira kirathi kia grade 10 na gitumi kinene kia gucererwo ni kurumirira ndugamano iria irehandite gatagati ga thirikari na acabithia a mabuku igie thirĩ wa ciringi bilioni 11 iria acabithia marendaga thirikari irihe.
Studying in these institutions will start in earnest from next week, which requires that we need to ensure that they have materials in school to allow the teachers to be able to start their curriculum, their training and their teaching of our students.
We assure you that as Kenya Publishers Association, we will continue to support the government of Kenya, we will continue to support the Ministry of Education and the KICD for that matter in ensuring high quality learning materials.
Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria mabuku maya, Minista wa Githomo JULIUS OGAMBA oigite gicunji kia 50 harĩ 100 kia mabuku ni megukinyira arutwo gugikinyiria muthenya wa rucio na gugikinyiria muthia-ini wa mweri uyu. Arutwo ni magakorwo makinyeirwo ni mabuku ma subject ciothe.
National Treasury, and we were able to receive 5.6 billion, which has since been released to the publishers to allow them meet some of their obligations and therefore make it possible for them to proceed with the printing and distribution of the grade 10 books.
Thirĩ wa ciringi bilioni 11 uria kiama kia acabithia a mabuku mararanduraga thirikari bilioni 5.6 ni irikitie kurihwo na thirĩ uria utigaire ni wa ciringi bilioni 4.4 thirikari ikiranira thirĩ ucio ni ukurihwo kiumia turorete.
We believe that the other balance will be coming soon because we need to first distribute, take the delivery notes to KICD and then get the remaining 60% for grade 10.
There is no reason for the publishers, the printers to doubt that the government is going to meet its obligation in paying the pending bill of 4.4 billion so that this partnership can proceed without any hiccups and without any challenges.
Kaunti 17 ni irikitie kwamukira mabuku macio iria ni hamwe na kaunti ya Nairobi, Kiambu, Kericho, Murang'a, kaunti ya Nakuru, Embu hamwe na kaunti ya Machakos gatagati kaingi, na kuringana na OGAMBA ni ati riu mathomo ma grade 10 ni megukinyanira gutari na wagagu o wothe.
The principals in all the institutions admit those students using the uniforms that they used to use in their junior school institutions as we work towards ensuring that the uniforms for grade 10 are provided for.
Hamwe noguo, Minista ni arutite mukana kuri thukuru iria irongerera marihi ma bithi, akiuga uguo ni guthie mugaru na watho na akinyiriirie ati arutani anene aria marakinyaniria ndeto iyo ni megutacukirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
Principals should not direct parents to specific shops or areas to buy their uniforms from or to buy the accessories from. So the biggest component of the cost is uniforms, and that's what we are taking away from the parents to make it possible for them to be able to take their students to school.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo wa Bui wa Njuguna.